Hello children, we the mathematics teachers welcome you back to the next session of this e-learning program through this virtual portal. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Let us quickly recall of what we studied in the previous session. We learnt more and less, greater and smaller, and greatest and smallest numbers. In today's session, we shall learn increasing and decreasing order and using symbols to compare numbers. Let us begin with today's first topic, increasing and decreasing order. Let us learn the concept of increasing order and decreasing order with the help of stairs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As we are moving upstairs, we are moving in increasing order. Now we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. As we are moving downstairs, we are moving in decreasing order. Thus, numbers arranged from smallest to greatest are said to be in increasing order. Numbers arranged from greatest to smallest are said to be in decreasing order. Let us first learn more about increasing order with few examples. In the first example, we shall compare the numbers 18, 16 and 19. We can see that 16 is the smallest and 19 is the greatest. So, we get the increasing order as 16, 18 and 19. Now we can see that the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. We shall move on to the next example. We are comparing the number 5, 8 and 3. We can see that 3 is the smallest and 8 is the greatest. So we get the increasing order as 3, 5 and 8. Now we can see that the numbers are arranged from smallest to the greatest. Let us learn the decreasing order with few examples. In the first example, we shall compare the numbers 7, 4 and 9. We can see that 9 is the greatest and 4 is the smallest. So we get the decreasing order as 9, 7 and 4. Now we see that the numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest. Now we move on to the next example where we are comparing the three numbers 13, 17 and 10. We can see that 17 is the greatest and 10 is the smallest. So we get the descending order as 17, 13 and 10. Now we can see that the numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest number. Children, Hope you have understood the concept of increasing and decreasing order. We shall move on to the next topic, using symbols to compare numbers. To compare numbers, we use three symbols. The first symbol shows the greater number. The second symbol shows the smaller number. The third symbol is used when both the numbers are equal. Let us learn this concept with the help of the crocodile's mouth. The crocodile's mouth always opens towards the greater number. The closed part always points to the smaller number. And when the numbers on both the sides are same, then we use the equal to sign. Let us learn this concept with few examples. In these boxes, let us see which box has greater number of fish. We can count and see that the first box has 6 fish. If we count the number of fish in the second box, we get 3 fish. So children, which is the greater number here? Yes, it is 6. Since 6 is greater, the crocodile's mouth opens towards 6. Therefore, we say 6 is greater than 3. Now, let us count the number of apples in these two boxes. The first box has 5 apples. Let us count the number of apples in the second box. The second box has 9 apples. Which is the greater number here? Yes, it is 9. So the crocodile's mouth opens towards the number 9. The closed part points the smaller number. So we read this as 5 is less than 9. Let us move on to the next example. We can count and see that there are 4 lollipops in both the boxes. Therefore, we use the equal to sign and read it as 4 is equal to 4. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Hope you have understood how to compare numbers using the 3 symbols. Dear children, hope you were able to complete the home assignment of the previous session. This will be sent as a PDF file. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete today's assignment. This will be sent in the PDF file too. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe until we meet next.